Welcome to Most Wanted Motor. I'm back and restarting my YouTube channel. Today we're looking into the E46 chassis and more importantly, what engine swap options you have. Of course, any engine you want can likely be made to work, but we are looking into the popular ones. The main reason to do a swap is simply because you want more horsepower. Imagine pulling into your garage, then over the course of a weekend, your car is radically changed. It is an incredibly satisfying feeling. You also have the potential of factory level reliability. Chances are your E46 is tired, car is over 20 years old at this point, and mileage will take you to the moon and back. Let's start off here. The M54 B30. This engine is a true workhorse. While it's the least powerful on the list, it's the easiest to swap and cheapest to swap, which is a great combination. This is a working man's engine. In stock form, you can beat on this engine, great if you are a sideways boy on a drift journey, or a cone killer doing autocross, or even doing road race events like Spec E46. Adding a turbo will put this engine in a great place. Next on the list is a perfect upgrade, and my favorite. Let me tell you why. The BMW M3. This engine rips and tears. Screaming at the top of the RPM with individual throttle bodies, this is my favorite choice at the heart and soul of the E46. The best way to do this swap, in my opinion, is to purchase a wrecked M3 and transplant everything over. Upgrade the suspension, upgrade the interior, upgrade the exterior, upgrade the whole entire thing. You will get a nod from the BMW community for staying within the brand. This swap is ideal to get the complete package. The S54 does have its fair share of problems. By modern standards, it's not that fast. Rod bearing failures are an issue, and it's difficult to make big power under a reasonable budget. But your pros will outweigh the con because it will completely transform your vehicle. But if you want to make big power, solid reliability, and don't care what the BMW snobs feel, bruh, nothing like some American muscle. The LS1, which is put just about in everything, is a solid choice for the E46. You have a range of options for power levels, transmission types, and budgets. The all-aluminum design and compact design allows it to fit in a wide range of applications.
This is in the kitchen at home, yeah? It does make...
They're reliable and capable of making big power. Who wouldn't like to roar the V8? The aftermarket support is insane. You can do just about everything you need with this engine. Catalogs of parts that fit and are readily available. This swap will cost you an arm and a leg and maybe your firstborn too. You will need quite a few of custom parts. This will take longer than a weekend, and at the upper echelon of power, it does get pricey. Last on our list is the 2JZ from legendary Toyota. For people overseas, this is likely your best option for big power. This engine is still widely available in multiple remanufacturers. It is an aging engine like the LS1. Make sure you get it from a quality reseller. VVT and non-VVT are both great options, depending on what you want. The closed deck design and forged internals allow the engine to stay reliable and hold excessive amounts of boost. Just like the LSX, this will be a costly and time-consuming swap, but with enough time and effort, it is totally worth it. While a bunch of engines can be made to work, the price point and practicality will make other engines too difficult. Emission standards are going to even make it more of a pain. Now you have to worry about things like the oil pan clearance. Will the engine clear between the steering shaft? Does it fit between the shock tower? We need to hammer out the transmission tunnel or plumb the cooling system in very odd and unique ways. It's going to add expense and time to this engine swap. I would advise against it, but you could still do whatever you want. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below.